Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add a web page shortcut icon to your home screen on ZTE Blade A72s. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Chrome. Here, open any website that you want to add as your home screen shortcut. Then click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. If you don't see the dots, then you probably see the arrow pointing up. It doesn't matter, just click on that icon. Now select Add to Home Screen. Here you'll be able to rename your icon. When it's ready, click on Add to Home Screen. Now we can go back and you should be able to see it somewhere around here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.